Hi dear, I'm delighted to introduce you to Loosoo. Loosoo is a powerful and solid enterprise specializing in production, sales, and development of various auto part products. Today we want to share with you one of our products, shock absorber. Let's take a closer look.
First, the oil that we use inside of our shock absorbers work mostly through every temperature from under 35 degrees to 80 degrees. Some of them are made to suit the extreme hot and cold weather. That will ensure driving comfort through every situation. Second, we only use the word trusted seal oil to extend the service life and ensure there will be no leakage of oil to avoid any unwelcome surprise. Plus, as we provide auto part products to the worldwide, we know exactly how to adjust the force setting to make the shock absorber fit in the local road situation in different countries. We are caring to offer to our customers the most enjoyable driving experience to deal with the ups and downs of life. We have excellent production equipment, strong technical force, advanced technology, complete testing methods. We also have certificates and patents in this field. Furthermore, our technical team is composed of experienced engineers and professional technicians. With a concrete theoretical foundation and rich practical background, our company is committed to automobile shock absorbers research, development, and production. Before to end this video, I would like to highlight our before and after sales service. We know that's a complex product, so if you have encountered any difficulties before to purchase and during the installation, our team is here to help to make things easier. We also pay attention to the details of packaging. We have set a high standard so the packaging we use are environment friendly.
Loosoo's shock absorbers have a quality warranty within 30,000 kilometers. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments or send us an email. See you in the next video. Bye bye!